Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel and sneak peek day 3 of our 6th birthday release. This is the last day of sneak peeks. The release is coming out tomorrow. So let's take a look at some stamps and dies with a fun in the sun type theme. We have a 4x4 gnome stamp set, Gnomes Under the Sea. Oh my word, look at the mermaid. It's so cute. So you can see there are a ton of stamps in this set. You have 2 gnomes. They have 2 fish that you can color and 3 fish that are solid. And even like the little bottom of the ocean, a sentiment, and a coordinating die set. It's going to die cut out all the things. Here you can see what it looks like stamped and colored. It's adorable. I love the mermaids. And then you can see the one little gnome. Maybe he's diving down to see if he can see a mermaid. All right, next we have them all die cut out so you can see how everything cuts out and you can easily create an entire scene with just this one stamp set, like I've done on this card right here. I think it's an adorable set. I love the gnome mermaid. It's so much fun. If you love that, you're also going to love our 4x8 gnome stamp set, which is Summer Gnome Fun. There are 5 different gnomes in this set and 5 sentiments. They are adorable. Surfing, inner tubing, laying in the sun, getting ready to jump into the water. So cute. It could not be any cuter. So there they are, all colored up. There is a coordinating die set. It's going to die cut out all 5 of those little gnomes and all 5 of the sentiments. So they are all bubble cut out and going to work nicely on your projects. Here you can see I've put the little surfer on top of a full panel shaker. He's the coolest. I love him. I'll show you some more cards with this set throughout this video. Okay, so next we're going to move on to a set you can use with these gnomes. It's the Backyard Pool set. 4x6 stamp set. It's going to create a little backyard pool scene for you. Look at this with the little fenced in yard, the pool there with a diving board. So much fun. And there's plenty of other things you could put inside the pool as well. The mermaid even. The die set is really cool because it's going to cut out the middle of the pool. It can cut along the fence line. And then also there's some words with it. Make a splash, dive in, and summer fun. It has mixed fonts with it and it's just really fun. So there's the new stamp set. You can see stamped out and colored. I did not color the water portion of the pool because I'm going to show that to you die cut out. So you take the die, it's going to fit right in that opening that's white, and it's that kind of almost like a lemon shape, so it's going to work perfectly. And then once I did that, there's stamps you can stamp to look like little ripples or waves in the water. I'm going to do that on the piece I'm putting behind this because I am going to turn it into a shaker. Any opportunity that I can have to make a shaker card, I'm totally going to take it. I love shaker cards. So you can see I die cut out that opening, colored a background, stamped those little waves on it, and it's so much fun. Next, I added Make a Splash at the bottom with the dies from this set, and then we're going to take those gnomes and add them on here because they are perfect to go with this pool. So you can see the other options there for dies. If you want, you can use that to cut along the top of the fence and kind of pop it up if you like. And there is with the gnomes. They are darling. I love having one on top of the shaker, one on the diving board, and then one off to the side. He's very cautious, that one. So there's my card with the backyard pool. Next we have our Sardine surprise stamp set and Sardine can gift card holder. So this is a pretty unique set. This is designed by Linda Canase. She is from iCrafter and has been doing some designing for us in our last release and this one as well, and this is a pretty fun set. So we have sentiments in here that say best fishes, birthday fishes, and make a fish. The die set is pretty cool because it has this whole sardine can that you can use to gift a gift card, and it has like a little perforated pullback part that you could do. I'm going to show you because it's really fun. So first, let's take a look at the stamp set, stamped and colored. You can see the sentiments there are nice and solid, and then you've got your 4 different fish that you can color in. 3 of them are the same size, 1 is a little bit smaller, and we do have dies in the die set that will cut out the large and the small fish, but the words do not have dies. So you can see that here, but there are 3 other dies in the set that we really need to take a look at because those are the ones that are going to create this really cool gift card holder. So I've die cut the outermost or largest kind of rounded rectangle by itself, and then I die cut the 2 together, and when you do that, it's going to create that perforated part that you can pull back. And then we have this piece right here that is like the little tab that you would grab and use to pull back. I don't actually do that, it's more for decoration on this card. So now you can stack these 2 together and have the gift card hidden, but there's plenty of other things that you could do with it too. So I'm going to turn mine into a shaker. I have backed this top piece with a window sheet, and then I'm just going to add some foam tape around the edge and pop it up over the top of my sardine can with the fish inside, of course. And you can see I use some of our new little tiny beads. This is a new embellishment. If you want to see all the embellishments in this release, check out tomorrow's full release video. I'm going to show you every single embellishment we have new in the shop. So here you can see I am ripping back that perforated part to reveal the shaker inside. Now you could leave off the window sheet, not make it a shaker, and put a gift card in this portion, and they have to rip that open to get the gift card out. So it's so cool, right? Just this fun little surprise. But there are, plenty other options of things you could put in there. So let your imagination go wild with this one. I think that you'll really have fun with it. Okay, so that is our sardine surprise. Next, we're going to show you 3 new standalone die sets. The first one is the Sunshine die set. Guess what? It fits on our circle shape card, and it could not be any cuter. So here you can see the set with the rays of the sun, the circle. It has sunglasses and a little smile, and then the words "Hello Sunshine" with shadow layers to go behind. And it is really simple, but oh so cute. You can use this completely standalone, but of course you can use it with our circle shaped die, which is sold separately. It's the one that creates a donut. I'm going to show it to you, put onto that circle shaped card. So there's all the die cut pieces ready to go. And then we'll see how it fits onto that circle shape card, almost edge to edge. Just a tiny bit of space. I did mine on a really light blue piece of cardstock, and then I added the word "Hello Sunshine" on the inside, and then I just dressed it up a little bit. I took the one of the hearts from the donut shape card, the original circle shape card. There's a heart in there, and I put that on the sunglasses and put some glaze. And then we have a rainbow die set that fits onto this circle shape card. I used those little clouds there, and the freckles are also from the original circle die set. So next we have our shovel and pail shaker die set, also designed by Linda Canase, and this one is so cute. I already told you I love shakers, and this one's gonna create a shaped shaker that you can put onto your cards that's like a little pail. And you can see there we have some new embellishments that are going to fit in there that kind of have that sandy color that are going to be great for filling this up. Plus we have some other kind of tropical things, which is what I'm going to use in mine. So here you can see all the die cut pieces. I also think you could use this just as a cup. Doesn't it kind of look like a cup if you don't do anything else to it? Yeah, so there's multiple ways you can use it. There is an insert that you can use to die cut the pail and have a window in it, and that's what you're going to use to make the shaker. There's a little ellipse piece that you put at the top to look like, you can see down into the pail. We've got our handle that you can put so it's standing up or have it so it's hanging down, and there's decorative pieces, little scallops for both the pail and the shovel. The shovel actually has 3 add-on pieces so you can make it multiple colors. Okay, we'll get back to a card with that after I show you the Sensational die set. This is a word set and it has some words you can spell, a few different sayings on it. Have some fun in the sun. You can also do you are sensational. So there's a mix there of fonts, which makes it so playful and fun. And there are shadow layers for all the things, which I always think makes it even cooler, right? So let's take a look at what these look like die cut out. I highly recommend using some rip and stick sheets behind the top layer, and then you can easily stick them onto the shadow layer. I think it's so helpful. I do it all the time now. So here's my card using that shovel and pail as well as the sensational right at the top. I think this is so fun. It just puts me really in the mood for summer. And there you can get a sneak peek at our new embellishments. They're like little starfish and some gold tiny beads. So remember, this release is coming out tomorrow, June 20th. We're also having a celebration hop on Instagram and YouTube. So make sure you follow us there, hop along with us, and check out the new release tomorrow. I can't wait. Thank you so much for stopping by. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.